Hey y'all did not expect that intro. Y'all did not expect that intro, now did y'all? Okay, I'm so sorry I look a mess. What else is new, right? My hair is so messy. Anyway, today we are going to review something that I'm very excited. But before we review anything, did y'all see my intro? Shout out to you, Monique Reed. I will put her Instagram details by the end of the video and also in the description box. She is a young woman, young lady that is amazing. She edits amazing. She edits, she facetunes pigs. She does intro. She does. Y'all gotta have to check her out. She also has a YouTube account and an Instagram account. Okay, I will link her Instagram account so y'all can directly DM her if y'all need anything, an intro, a picture. She does everything. She's amazing. She's very talented and very young. She puts me to shame, to be quite honest. Okay, so let's review something. Okay, something that I'm very excited to review. Now this is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. Now this is not foundation. It might look like foundation, but it's not foundation. Here we go. It has like a beautiful wand. The prices are up there. I know Charlotte Tilbury products are expensive a little bit. You know, it's not drugstore. But what I like to do is I like to put it up here. Let's get to application, okay? Yes, cheekbones. Yes, bridge of the nose. You can also put it under your brow and even above your brow. Yes, you can do that. Did you know that? And a little bit on the chin. But because I have facial hair today, you won't see the chin glow. You're not gonna see the chin glow today. Okay, so this product, let's talk about it. It's like a mix between a sheer foundation and a liquid highlighter. So it's beautiful. It's like the most beautiful subtle glow, you know? Look at this. Do y'all see this? Everybody needs this in their life. And I haven't put on foundation, as y'all clearly can see, because I still have redness and stuff. But for a natural day, I swear, guys, you know what I would do? I use this product, a little lip balm with a little color payoff, a little brow gel, a little concealer, because I have bags under my eyes all day, every day, 24/7, all week and weekend too. So I would do this, a little brow gel, a little Hollywood Flawless Filter, a little lip balm, a little concealer action, out the door, bye. And you would just think that I would have flawless skin. Or healthy skin, not flawless, but healthy. Now, why do I like Charlotte Tilbury's products? First of all, they're buildable. Oh damn, look at that highlight on my nose, I forgot to blend that shit. It's beautiful. Do y'all see that? Anyway. Anyway, let's get back to topic. This is so me. I like Charlotte Tilbury's products, especially her airbrush flawless finish powder, especially for people like me who have dry under eyes. I live by her products because she has amazing products. They work, they are buildable, they are not boom, you can build them up. Especially I relate to her products because she makes products for people, you know, for a lot of, you know, she worked with models who have to look beautiful, healthy and glowy, and I like that. I don't like to look cakey, I don't like to look like there's too much going on, like too much blush or too much bronzer or too much concealer. It's like a healthy look, and because I like the healthy look, you know, her brand is like perfect for me. You know, I own a lot of her stuff. Magic Wand Concealer, review coming very soon. The powder, review coming very soon. Contour, lipstick in Amazing Grace, which is the most beautiful lipstick ever. Beauty Light Wand. This is like a stronger highlight, which is beautiful, which you have to use. But this today, it's just like a mix between a beautiful sheer. Do y'all see the glow? Okay, like a beautiful sheer moisturizing liquid foundation, but sheer, mixed with a little bit of beauty wand, our highlighter, her liquid highlighter, and that's what it gives. And as y'all can see, it gives a little color, so it's beautiful. It's just. That's it, guys. That's it. I have nothing bad to say about this product. I would like to say that there's something bad. Well, maybe the price, you know, it's a little expensive. It's not a drugstore brand, so not a shocker, really. But that's about it. And Charlotte, if you see me, I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to Monique who did my intro. Check her out, y'all. All the information is provided in the description box down below. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want a subtle glow, it's the Hollywood Flawless Filter. I'm in love. When I am passionate about a product, that's... Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!